Welcome back to Arise. On the occasion of Ganesh festival, today we are going to enlighten the connection between spirituality and education. As our platform is all related to education, let's see how Ganesha can impact on education in the light of spirituality. On this wonderful topic, today we are blessed to have one of the prominent personalities. He is none other than the chairman of ENG Group of Companies. There are 7 companies and the proud chairman name is Avinash Sode. We are blessed to have today him on the Ajuras platform. Welcome to you, sir.
So, thank you, Shilpa. Thank you for inviting me on this wonderful platform of Ajurise. And I am happy to be here. So that today I got opportunity to have one-on-one interaction with each one of you. So, thank you, Shilpa, for that.
Ganesha and education.
Okay.
What can we learn from Ganpati Bappa?
So, Ganesha is god of intelligence. So, if you remember one story from Puranas, when Shivji asked his both the sons, Kartikeya and Ganesha, that I will give you a divine food to the winner who will roam around earth 3 times. And Kartikeya and Ganesha, both of them, they wanted that divine food. Kartikeya he sat on his peacock and he went on the mission. Ganesha thought 3 times that he has peacock with him, but I have a little mouse, and how I can roam 3 times and I can win this competition. So what he did, he just roam around his parents, and that's it. And Shivji gave this divine fruit to Ganesha because he is the winner. This is how Ganesha is god of intelligence, because he did the cost-benefit analysis of the available resources and what's possible for me. So being a wonderful youth, each one of you can also think. If you think and use your intelligence in your day-to-day living, you can create miracles in your life. Yes, Shilpa?
Yeah, it's absolutely right. Other thing is the prayers. We go in the temples in the morning and in the evening. We just go through those vibrations which are created. I love those vibrations.
Right.
So those prayers. What can you say about it? What is the energy which is created, or what is the spiritual energy which we take from those prayers? Aarti, we can call it.
Yeah. So not only Aarti, when you see, ambience is greater than your willpower. So when you go to any temple or to any divine place, so the vibrations, they take you over. And actually what happens is you get connected with yourself. And also you get that connection from the universe with that deity. Okay, and in this case, nowadays, in this Ganesha festival, many of you have got this opportunity to pray to Ganesha that what I want. And actually when you pray, you use the law of attraction. And law of attraction it's very simple. And the law of attraction is very simple. Okay, you ask something what you want. उसको बोलते हैं ना दिल से. Okay, what you want from bottom of your heart, you ask it to the Ganesha. And actually, this is what you send signals to the universe that this is what I want. And when you believe what you want, that one fine day I am going to get it. So when you believe, you have unwavering faith on what you have asked for, the possibility of you getting it increases multifold. But please remember, this thing you are going to get when you take certain actions. Through actions, reception happens. So in these wonderful 11 days of this Ganpati festival, just go to Bappa ask him boldly what you want, and great. So all of we are spiritual beings. And what is spirituality? It's all about getting connected to yourself. And when you get connected to yourself, you can get connected to any human being. So you will get your loved ones also through connection with self. So if you want to establish a connection with some other person, first get connected with yourself. And the Ganpati Bappa is a great opportunity to establish a connection.
Wow.
Thank you. Jai Ho.
Thank you. With this short and sweet message, sir has evolved and given us so many secrets to success, secret to relationship, and also the secret to intelligence, you can say that, which we can learn from Ganpati. Thank you, sir. We are blessed to have you today on this platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Shilpa. And thank you very much. My very best wishes to whatever these great mission you have taken. And my blessings are always with you. And thanks to you and each one of you who is watching this video. Thank you for your contribution. Because through Shilpa, I got this opportunity to contribute in your lives. So thank you, Shilpa. Thank you for a great human being. Thank you for creating great things out there in the world. Jai Ho.
So we have got a wonderful message today on this Ganesha festival. If you have liked the content, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel of Azure Eyes. Thank you.